Cameron here with another quick Photoshop tutorial. So I was out filming a vineyard recently, and the lens that I was using has caused this slightly fisheye effect, and you can see that these vineyards are not in straight lines. So I'll show you the easy way to remove any kind of lens distortion, whether it's fisheye or any lens distortion from your photos. So select background layer, filter, camera raw filter. Here we click on lens corrections. Okay. And we just want to drag this until the lines appear straight. So think about there. Looks good. Okay, that'll apply it. And now we just have to crop it a little bit. There we go. So we put that original. That's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and try and put out more Photoshop and Premiere Pro tutorials over the next few weeks. I'll make it a weekly thing. Yeah, thanks for watching.